All right, so this is going to be an easy dip, or it doubles as a salad dressing. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I've got 2 garlic cloves here. Give them a nice smash, and then I'm going to paste them with a little bit of salt.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you know how that works. The salt acts like a kind of a grinder.
Yeah.
And you just kind of do that, and you get it like that. Put a little salt in it. Okay, so I got that done, and then I'm going to put that in this mortar and pestle. Yeah, I'm not making too much of it. This will be a good size. What's sitting in front of you?
I was going to say, I expected it to go in here.
Well, that's if you're going to make a lot, then I would definitely use a molcajete, which also, by the way, looks lovely as a serving thing, right? You can put everything in it. All right, so I got that in there. I'm going to add the other ingredients. I have 4 tablespoons of good quality, you want really good quality extra virgin olive oil. I've got, that's 4 tablespoons. I've got 2 tablespoons of champagne vinegar. This is a teaspoon of dry oregano. Then I have 2 tablespoons of feta cheese crumbled up. And then this is 12 oil cured olives kind of chopped up. Yeah. So, you know, I'm doing it here. Like I said, you could do it in a molcajete. You could also do it in a food processor if you really wanted to. I'm not a big fan of doing this in the food processor. I just think it kind of, it overdoes it as far as.
You want a little texture.
Yeah, you want some texture. So I'm just gonna kind of keep doing this. The feta cheese now and the olives are kind of what's going to provide the body to this, right? It kind of makes it so it's not just super loose. So go ahead and do that. Like, okay. So we basically got that done. I have some veggies over here that we're going to use for dipping. All right, so let me give this another couple of swirls around. And you know, just to show people how the molcajete works, I think I'm going to go ahead and just put it in here. This is it's lava rock, basically. And so you just put, when you're doing something in here, it really does an excellent job of just kind of using that rough surface. So I can go like this. Oops. See? And it really gets it nice and ground up. Right? And that's kind of what I'm looking for. Like you said, I want it to have some texture. I don't want it to be beat to death. And I just want to be able to use it as a dip. So here's some veggies. Here is the dip. And just kind of put it in like that. Just like that. The contrast between the feta and the olive. That's what kind of makes this. That's everything else is. I mean, what do you think?
It's really tasty. They both add salt, but the olives are
umami.
Yeah,
that's what the olives are. They bring a lot of that funky umaminess to it.
Yeah.
Vinegar is just the right amount of acid. You know, you get the oregano, you get that little herbal flavor and stuff like that. So that's it, everyone. Like I said, very simple dip / salad dressing focused around the olives and the feta. Give it a try. Like you say, it takes no time at all. We'll see you next time.